Everyone's talking about AI like it's the next big thing, but here's what nobody is telling you. The AI gold rush isn't about the tools. It's about something way more valuable. Look, the AI market is hitting 1.8 trillion by 2030. Insane, right? But here's the thing. In every gold rush, the people who got rich weren't the ones digging for gold. They were the ones selling the shovels, building the infrastructure, and creating what everyone else depended on. So what's the modern equivalent? I'd say your personal brand, because AI won't replace you. But someone using AI with a strong personal brand absolutely will. Think about it. Gary Vee, Mr. Beast, they've built empires around their names. Roy Lee raised $50 million, not because of his product, but because of his distribution, his brand. So here's the playbook. First, build authority around one foundational skill. Solve one problem better than anyone. The best way to do this? I'd say use a tool like JustStack to curate the best insights and post ideas for your industry, based on your favorite newsletters, websites, or YouTube channels. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users, but only 1 to 3% post quality content. I'd say that's your blue ocean. Second, monetize through lead magnets. I've seen many agency owners do 6 figures with less than 50,000 followers using organic campaigns. First, convert with email. It's your own property. The truth? AI is just a vehicle. Your brand is the leverage. You become irreplaceable when you combine your unique thinking, your stories, your experience with AI's speed and analysis. That's the real opportunity that no one's thinking about right now.